Assalamualaikum to Professor Dr. Sharizal. Welcome to the Pawn Task Management Application System. The team members of IRIS is Aimi Binti Rusdi, who is the project manager, Mirhanieza Binti Matharuzaman, who is the full stack developer, and Nuramyra Natasha, who is the UI UX designer. I hope you enjoy the presentation video. Thank you.
Hi, I am Mirhanieza, the full stack developer of this project. I am responsible for most of the functions in this website. And first, I'll be going to show you how users are able to manage the tasks. So there are a few things that the users can do to manage the task. So firstly, they are able to add a task. We can write the title, put some description so that the users know some details about what the task should be. And of course, the deadline. So in each of these the task card, there is going to be a status which is based on the deadline that is set by the users. And after users has added one task, the progress bar will show up. Okay. So let me put another task. And let's say it is on a date that has passed. The status will change to overdue. So the red and it is overdue. And then afterwards, users can also edit the task. And save it. And it will change here as well. And then users can also complete a task, which will then show this modal and makes the progress go up. Another thing users can do is they can delete any of the tasks that they want, which might be cancelled or whatever, and the task will be deleted. This is what it looks like on the website. We also have a mobile application for it, which is almost the same. Okay, then we can set it. When we save it, it will show. Okay, so it shows this one because I logged in on the same account. So there it is on the mobile app version. Also, since when each user completes the task, they will gain some points. So this is shown on the Tenenet. So as we can see in Tenenet here, the player's name is Stardust and the points are added. States are changed for the main points. And that is all from me, and that is how users are able to manage the task.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Aimi Binti Rusdi and I am the project manager for the Pawn Application Task Management System. So from here, I will be explaining about subsystem 2, which is the claim items use case. Beforehand, Mirhanieza has mentioned that when you complete a task, the points will increase and therefore it will unlock tiers. In order to claim the items, the users have to unlock each tier, which is in Pawn Shop, there's tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 and tier 5. And each tier has its own mark bench that needed to be achieved, which is for tier 1, the user have to unlock up to 100 points, and then tier 2 is to unlock 200 points to unlock tier 2, and so on and so forth until the 5th tier. Now, in order for the user to claim the task, once they have, let's say they have unlocked tier 1, as for this example, I'm already a special tier, I can simply click the add button and a pop-up will show up saying claim this item and a reflection, which is the include use case for this subsystem. The user may write their reflection on regarding on which task they have completed. So let's say I just wrote the task. So in order to claim the item, you have to click the claim button, and therefore the item will automatically go into the items bar at your My Pawn section. For an example, this is the items bar. Once you click, these are all the items that you have claimed will pop up. So in order to click and drop the item into the canvas, all you have to do is click, and the item will be available as to what you want to drag into the canvas. So for example, I want all these characters, and all I have to do is click and drag. And in order for this to work, we have connected the link with Telenet for the gamification system. As you can see, we have the rules for the metrics of the tiers in order to unlock and how many points. So we have tier 1 rule, tier 2 rule, and for example here the achievement is the player will achieve tier 1 from the metric tiers, where the points it should be greater and equal to 100, and it's the same for tier 2, and the difference is equals to 200, and for tier 3 is 300. And therefore at the coding section, where we did together in collaboration at the VS code, the coding is as simple as to just like once the task is completed, the points is occurred or calculated. So which tier or the current tier that the points have unlocked, it will show has been unlocked, and therefore it will go towards which tier has unlocked. So this is the claim items PHP, and as you can see here is once the user will select the items image, this is where the textura or the text area text editor for the reflection, and then once they click claim, the item will go to the tasks or the items bar section, or close if they don't want to. That is all for the claims items use case. Proceeding into the next use case.
Hi, my name is Nuramyra Natasha, and I will continue with the decorations of the pawns. So once you have completed your task and claiming the item from the pawn shop, you can start to decorate. So first, let's go to the pawn interface, and we go to the navigation bar and click My Pawns, and it will lead you to the pawn interface. Pawn applications has provide you a canvas where you can draw and drag down the items from the items bar. So this is item bar. When you click down, it will show you the items that you have claiming after you unlock in each tier. So when you get to the items, it will show you the reflections that you have made before when you claiming the item, and then you can start draw and drag down the items. For example, I will use this here. So this is the same features on the mobile applications, so you can start drawing. And for the mobile features also, you can do the same thing, which you can draw and drag down the items. So moving forward to the Hall of Fame. So the Hall of Fame is that users are able to view their points and also their rank. It displays here the names of the user and that has been registered, and then this is their points. So in order to be on the top of the in Hall of Fames, they must manage their tasks effectively and complete their tasks before the due dates. I will show you examples. Here is my points, which is 51,200, and then once I click here, so when I click complete and then go back to the Hall of Fame, I have gained some points, which is 53,800. So the more points you gain, the more points you get a chance to be on the top of the Hall of Fame. So that is for our video presentations and demonstration from the team Iris. May you have a wonderful day, and thank you very much.